Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison at Work. Today I just want to tell you a disappointment of now in Malaysia we have already 5G, which is from Yes 5G. I had this actually LG V50 5G, is 5G dual screen 5G, which is already 5G and it's already updated. And I try with Yes 5G SIM card. This phone can't detect 5G. First of all, it's 4G, but it's still fast internet, 33 Mbps, like that. And then can't detect the SIM card for SMS and also for calling. So people can't call me, I can't call out, I can't receive SMS, and I can't do SMS also. So in this phone, so it's very disappointment with Yes 5G. So for those who have LG V50 or V60, I guess will be the same thing also, or LG phone. If you have LG phone which is already have 5G like me, then you can't use this Yes 5G at the moment. Or you can't use it or I don't know. So that's my disappointment. So I wanted to use Yes 5G, so I use now Poco M3 5G. It's cheap one, but it's workable with Yes 5G SIM. Can SMS and call, and also get 5G about 300 plus Mbps, the internet speed. So that's it I want to say. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.